on record, boy.
Okay. You have battery?
Woohoo! I'm hoping.
This is a huge tray.
I know, we have a big tray of makeup, everyone. But you can intro yourself.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome to Lindsay's channel.
So I had this funny idea that I wanted to do Lindsay's makeup. I don't think I'm bad at makeup, but I've never really tried. So part of me thinks I'll be really good, but I also don't know.
He's not getting any pointers.
No.
And I'm also not that good at makeup either. But we're having a glass of vino and we just ordered some pizza.
Yeah.
It's Saturday night.
Do we have our one? Oh,
we should grab it.
Okay.
And Steven's gonna do my makeup, which should be an interesting situation.
This is yours, I think.
Ooh, cheers.
Okay, well, cheers.
Good luck to you, darling.
Cheers, yes. So I like my clients to feel really comfortable and really at ease in my space. Okay.
In your space. It's like the corner of my
primer.
apartment.
This is probably making my money. Okay, primer is super important.
Great. I just put face oil on my face, so it's gonna be a little bit.
I believe
oily,
primer just goes on like with like a finger, right? Don't need like a sponge or anything.
No.
Okay.
Do the thing.
So let's just. Love this. I'm really feeling this is a really good primer too. This is Kula. I'm not sponsored by them, obviously, but I just really endorse their brand. I think Jeffree Star uses it.
I'm pretty sure Jeffree Star does not use it,
Okay.
but Jeffree Star is a big SPF advocate.
Does this have SPF in it?
Yes, that's the whole point. Kula is an SPF company.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I rep them so much I don't even know that. I don't like. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we've done that.
We have an array of foundations for you to use. We've got Dermablend, CoverGirl, La Roche-Posay, Dior.
I like to make my own shades.
Okay.
So my ideal brush for foundation would be this one.
That one.
This is correct.
Okay. Let's just show them.
Yeah, this one.
We're using this.
People do this.
Yes.
I'm more of a Tom Ford kind of gal, but I mean, obviously we don't have that here right now. So I start with La Roche-Posay.
La Roche-Posay.
Okay.
This is new. I actually really like this one.
Okay. So we're gonna work it up. I feel like a lot of women too don't really they don't go into the hairline as much as they should because it really is important to really blend.
So basically I'm gonna have to wash my hair after this.
I'm gonna go directly, you can also do this trick too, just go directly on the brush and just kind of tap.
The amount of product you just put on my face.
And also the neckline is super important as well.
That's not wrong.
Yeah. So, well, I know what I'm doing, obviously, so.
I just got in my mouth.
Oh, sorry. You have to keep your mouth closed when you're with me, because I work very fast.
Keep your mouth shut. This is my tutorial.
Well, just for some areas where I think that needs a little bit more dramatic. So I really want to also contour and a lot of, like, definition to where, like, you know, in like, natural lines in your face. Not making sense, but it's good.
The natural lines in my face, we're going to emphasize those. Let's please not.
Okay. So we're gonna just kind of go here just for a little. So we're just gonna add a little coverage here.
Alba's looking at me like, what is happening?
Okay. So I'm done with this. We're gonna just go in there and really kind of define those, the area there. There we go.
I'm gonna have to like shower, wash my hair, and wash this sweater by the time.
And do a mask.
And do a mask.
Your pores.
Okay.
I love that you're like giving me the most coverage on my cheekbones and not on my acne.
I don't see acne on you though. I just didn't see it.
I mean.
Okay. So next.
You're a good friend.
Okay. So now I want to start like shaping the canvas essentially.
Okay.
So that's not enough. A lot of ladies, you need to do a full face all the time. Don't think that you can look like half good. You can't. You know, really
so me all day today, we were out and about and we saw the hottest guys. He called me and he was like, hey, we should go for, oh God. He was like, we should go for a walk. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna throw on my sweats, no makeup, no shower, no nothing. I'm just gonna go for a walk with my friend, which turned into seeing every single hot guy in Vancouver.
Right.
And then we went for happy hour, no shame. And we saw a girl I know. Oh, wow.
Well, we're gonna blend. It looks really good. Okay, so now I want to do...
He's laughing. It looks really good as he's laughing.
Do you have a... I'm not done, don't be crazy. I just opened up your eyes and made them so much bigger. Alright, look at me.
Why are you smiling?
I'm not, I'm just really liking what I'm creating here. Okay, this is really coming together. Like, you are...
I wish you guys could see my roommate's face right now. It's literally like... I've never contoured my nose ever, fact.
Well, this is... I mean, thank God I'm here. Thank God I'm here.
I don't know how. Got the power over me.
Well, I know this song.
Nah, nah.
It doesn't look... It actually... You're gonna be so stunned.
Special effects.
You're gonna look...
Thank God we're not going out tonight. Thanks God we're absolute losers.
We have nothing else to do. Okay, so I want to work like the eyes. Now, do you have... Sorry, I'm gonna say a little. Let's see. Good. This is really good. Okay. Alright.
The talent.
So what I'm gonna leave some choices for you. I'm gonna give you some colors. So this is my own palette, actually.
What is it called?
Born to Run, because I've been to running recently, so I just
You have
thought...
been like a really fit.
Yeah, I have. So, you can choose. So my favorite is Guilt Trip and Ignite.
Which
So I
are
want-
what colors?
Like purple. I don't know if they're kind of like right here.
Okay.
I don't want the
Do your
fallout,
thing.
the excess fallout to happen. Okay.
Lingo.
Yeah, so we are gonna start. So, do you have any suggestions on colors? Do you want to like participate?
What suggestions on where to put things?
No, like more colors. He wants to know what color.
Like colors.
Are we doing a coat crease?
Maybe.
Are we
Okay.
doing a cut crease?
Still shot.
Wait, what are we matching the outfit with? Or is this nighttime look?
no,
Where-
this is
are
like-
we going
I
out?
want.
This is it.
I like looks that are transitional. So
I mean,
very
we could
minimal,
like plan around the pizza matching.
which is very like Parmesan and garlic. So breakaway will be pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go with Guilt Trip and Ignite. So I'm gonna start
Okay.
the base of Guilt Trip, which is a really nice kind of orchid lavender, like a little bit darker of a lavender, like a more of a plum color. So what we're gonna do here, now watch guys, so you're gonna go here, you're gonna go into Guilt Trip. This is my favorite shade, I really enjoyed working with this one. Then we're gonna tap, Fallout. Okay, so Guilt Trip is going on really quite beautifully. And when I created the products, I really wanted something that was really like had a good pigment to it. So now close the other eye. This is stunning. No, it
Don't you
actually
dare.
is. Yeah, just look up nice and high.
Like it's literally on my eyebrow.
Oh no.
You're tickling my eyebrow. Like, are you even putting anything on my eyelid?
Oh yeah.
Don't look
You
at
most definitely.
Do not look at the camera. No, this is actually.
Don't look in the camera.
Okay.
It's like the guiltiest thing you can say.
So I added a little breakaway. So breakaway is a lighter color, and we're gonna add it in the inside of the eyes because that's sort of what makes the eye pop. And this adds a little more of a gradient effect to the eye, which is really quite stunning a lot of the time. Now we just kind of added a base tone, so I want to add another tone to really complement that. So. Yeah. Like just underneath the eye slightly. I want to add maybe a still shot or like a little bit of...
I need a refill before you do this.
Yeah, you're gonna
Oh, you're
really
the
like
best.
this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
VIP treatment in
Our
the salon.
PA, you're so good. I switched the brushes. This is a Pixie, not sure. Alright, so close your eye again. We're gonna add a little...
Wow. Are you doing my bottom lashes?
No, stop. So this adds a really nice effect. I'd go for, like,
I genuinely thought you're gonna be good at this.
I know, I go for dramatic. Like, I go, you pop. Like, close your eyes. I'm not too keen on what I did at the bottom of the eyes. But if you... Okay, it also, cause this is a little more dramatic. Like, if you were on a runway, like, this is what I would give you. Like, this is so...
Okay.
This actually looks really nice.
This is like your...
This actually looks really nice.
This is like your voice is cracking.
Well, you wouldn't. Well, you wouldn't wear this. You wouldn't wear this out in like. This is like this is like an Oscar award party. Like you don't. Yeah.
Yeah, we're hitting the red carpet later.
Like absolutely. Like you don't. You know what I mean?
After the wine and pizza.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So now I want to work on accentuating the lip. What? Stop.
This is like my quarter life crisis all over again.
Perfect. Becca highlighter.
Champagne pop. Like
So
real though,
now
so
look
good.
at me. Now highlighter be so careful with, so careful. Like this pigmentation can cut. You can't really see. Okay, so and this is so subtle. Like you do not overkill. You kind of go right there.
Don't overkill, guys. Oh, Dua Lipa, we love her.
Okay, and I always like adding a little to the nose because it really kind of like adds a little pop. Cupid's bow, and then kind of just under. And that really creates a really dynamic look. Okay, so we're gonna pop now. Like this is where we.
This is now we're popping.
This is you know, lipstick. I've actually never done lips before.
No.
I always have an assistant do them.
You always laugh and smile when you know you're in trouble.
It's looking so sharp. I'm so excited. A glass of beans.
Oh my god. The pizza guy's here.
Why is he at this door?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Hi. Sorry, we have two doors. This is a different one. One moment.
The pizza.
A man in the gay community, you'd think.
We're all.
You
good.
Dominoes!
Okay, now we're really cooking.
Now we're ready. We
Okay.
need to wrap this up.
I'm almost done. We're back. Okay. So we're almost done. But there's a few things I want to do. Okay. I just really love the boldness of this lip. So we're gonna use this pink here. The name of it is Estrelle. Now look at me.
I love that you have your lips open.
Like this, I'm not really right-handed, so this is gonna be a challenge.
You're left-handed?
Yeah.
Are you actually?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. And colorblind too, apparently.
So look at me. Let me just see what else I have.
What else can I possibly do to your face?
That makes it magnetic. Alright, so now I want to work on the eyebrows quickly to finish this up.
Yeah, girl.
I'm really picking up a Spanish Miami vibe, which is what I said I was going for. I'm so happy that it ended up there.
Spanish Miami vibe. So I need to like pull out my Hoochia's dress?
Yeah,
Oh, we're styling this as well.
No.
we should though.
No, I
I'll
ain't
do
getting out of
hair.
my sweats. No. I ain't. I'm eating that pizza. I'm gonna sit here and be beautiful.
Look at me. Obviously Derma Blend kind of powder to really finish this look, and then we're honestly kind of done, which I love. I
I just
don't.
want the pizza.
I do. I'm like starving now. Okay, ready? And this really mattifies the look, which I love, because this completes it now. We're basically done. Look at me. Look at me. Sorry, I just really want the fallout. Always proud of my work.
Can we just talk about the poor pizza guy?
Oh, that was awkward as fuck.
So wait, we didn't explain. So I have two entrances in my apartment. One being this entrance with huge windows, which nobody actually
Probably
uses.
thinks we're fucked.
But he saw the window, like the lights on probably, and was like, oh, that's where I'm delivering the pizza.
Look at me. I'm so proud of this.
Is the masterpiece finito?
Yeah. What do we
Okay,
think?
so this is the final.
I don't hate it. I really don't.
Okay.
It's dramatic. It's like Black Swan-ish in a way.
Okay, Black Swan vibes.
Yeah.
And I am going
I mean, with
to
the hair,
Gala.
obviously the hair I'd do more up. I would do longer, bigger, voluminous curls.
Gala ready.
Gala ready. I'd do bigger hoops for sure.
Miami vibe.
I like it.
Thank you so much for having me.
You know what? I would charge you like $24,000 for this, but I will not. It's all good.
We're
on the
pulling in
hat.
a personal favor.
This
You
is-
are a friend of my friend Harmony.
Yes, exactly. This is so perfect.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My face has never looked more beautiful.
Love it.